Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today's topic is the clinical data management plan. So we start with the definition of clinical data management. So what is the DMP, that is a data management plan? A data management plan or DMP is a formal document that outlines how data are to be handled both during and after the clinical trial is completed. DMP describes the activities to be conducted in the course of processing data. Then before the study goes live, all clinical studies should have DMP in place. Now the process of data management plan. First study is awarded to CRO, then CDM team is selected. After that the meeting was done, and after the meeting the first draft of DMP was prepared. The purpose of DMP is to define procedures, timelines, responsibility and documentation of clinical data management for this study. Then to promote consistent, efficient and effective clinical data management services for this study. Then to provide a guide that will ensure compliance with good clinical practices, that is GCP. Then requirements and ensure that the study database is accurate, secure, reliable and ready for analysis. Then the roles involved in data management plan are the data manager, then project manager, medical writer, study statistician and the sponsor representative. The standalone studies is for the responsible for role will be as per the scope. Then the benefits of data management plan are it serves as a document which will be helpful in proper planning, training, communication and execution of data management services. Then ensures compliance with good clinical data management practices throughout the trial and thus assure production of quality data during trial. Then makes personnel involved in data management activities aware about their respective roles and responsibilities, which enhance the smoothness of processes. Then maintains a record of data handling activities by different individuals during the study. Then provide continuity for data management activities when person in data management plan changes or study goes on for long duration. Then we see the creation and finalization of data management plan. For each new study, clinical data management person should compose a detailed DMP based on the protocol, work scope, then contract analysis plans, data flows, case report forms, other supporting documents and data management standard and the practices. The entire DMP should be drafted and approved by all responsible parties prior to commencement of the work it describes. Then the clinical data manager should ensure that DMP is kept current, including proper then version control, and all the parties involved agreed with the content. Then the DMP should be considered a living document throughout the life cycle of a study, capturing any changes impacting data management made to the protocol or processing being used. Then DMP must be uniquely identifiable, carry such identification on each page, example study code or title, and be subject to version control. Then each version should be documented and include date, author, reason for version change and an individual version identifier. Then the components considered while creating data management plan are the protocol summary, definition and acronyms, then point of contact, personnel or role identification or training, then timelines, dictionary and coding management, then frequencies of important documents and activities, and then the data entry process. Milestones that appear on a study timeline are the protocol finalization, then CRF or ECRF creation, that means case report form creation, then database designing, then edit check specification, UAT, then first patient first visit and last patient last visit, then query management and the lab data management. Then how to handle changes after go live. The required changes should be made and shared with internal team for review. Draft DMP should be shared with sponsor after incorporating components from internal team. Then once all concerned members approve the changes, documents can be finalized and version will be revised.